How does your business make money? Do you build things, create things, make things happen? Maybe you save lives. All at light speed. Maybe you search the world to find just the right place. Spokane and the rest of the amazing inland Northwest. This is our home, diverse and beautiful. Fortress is a company like yours, ready to help you navigate new technologies. Workflow solutions, document management, copiers and printers. We carry Samsung, Xerox, Muto, and DocuWare. Fortress is locally owned. Let us partner with your business to find success in the inland Northwest.